So you want to blow $700 on a new dryer. Why would you want to do that? This is our Maytag. It's not in pieces, it's not wrecked, it's not totaled or what, anything like that. Relatively new dryer. It's a Maytag 61202. You can take the 110 off the front and the numbers off the back, and you just, or no, this is a Kenmore, sorry. Or is it? Well, Kenmore, whatever. There's the numbers. You take the 110 off the front, you take the 0011 off the back. This is a 61202. That's all there is to it. So here lately it's been going, you know, you fire it up and it goes, you know, it just sounds like there's tennis shoes stuck in there. Like half of the rap music or half the music that you hear on TV or on the radio these days. Just garbage, right? Okay, so you take off the back panel, and you don't even have to take off the back panel. I just did because I wanted to blow it all clean. There's the back panel right there. There's all the guts, and I blew it out clean, no problem. The top pops off. The top here, the front edge of the top sits on these little doodads here. You just got to kind of give it a jerk off there and rip it up there. Flip it over, get it all out of the way. There's two screws right here, one there, one there. And then you disconnect the door close switch. And when you get ready, you kind of you angle it out a bit like this, and you just give it a lift. Give it a lift up out of the way. The drum will hang right there, and the door will pop off. And you get to looking in here. And I already looked on Amazon, and Amazon sells a fix-it kit for these things for $32. $32 gets you a new roller, and a new idler, and a new belt. That's all that goes wrong with these, except for the heating element. The heating element's a little more expensive, but regardless, if the heating element's still good, what goes in these things is not the motor. The motor's always just fine, unless you overheat the hell out of it. This roller is fine. You hear that? You hear that? You don't hear nothing, do you? This roller here too, same thing. Now, it's not supposed to flop around like that, but I'm going to replace it anyway because I'm right here. I'm going to replace this one, this one. Now this one here. Look. See that? I'm shaking it around, okay? Nothing going on there. Watch this. What do you think that noise was? Okay, that thing's shot. It's a bolt here and a bolt on the back side over here. You're in, you're out, you're done. Case closed. $32. If you can't fix it for that, maybe you should just hang it up. And call me, I'll fix it for you for $200. How's that sound? Because the kit comes with 4 rollers, and I only need 2 of them, so I got enough rollers to fix another dryer. And there ain't nothing wrong with the idler there, so next dryer that comes along, maybe I'll fix that one too, I don't know. So, gist of the story, get it fixed. You don't need to spend $600 on a new dryer, or $400, or whatever the hell it is. Fix it.